It gives you chills. Hey, Freeze. Cheetah. Caleb. Paw Bear. Ooh. And Cedar Meter. July 23rd, swim day at the Canine Ranch. All right, Doc Divers, take your place.
Cedar's anticipating the dock dive. Cedar, go get it. Go.
Woo!
Okay,
Good job, Cedar.
Good girl, Cedar.
Go, Cedar!
All right.
All right. Good girl, Cedar.
Okay, Cheetah, your turn.
All right, Cheetah Meter.
Come on, Cheetah. 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 Come here. Come here, girl. Here comes Cheetah.
Woohoo! Geronimo!
Good girl.
Good girl, Cedar.
Go to the stairs.
Way to go, Cheetah.
Oh, there's a good girl.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Cedar, give us a turn, Cedar.
Okay. Good job, Cedar Meter.
Oh, you got it. Come on, good girl. Cheetah came right back around with the ball. Come on, Pete. Come on, Pete. Come on, Fifi.
Hey, Paw Bear.
Come on, Fifi. Come on, man. Come on, Fifi.
What'd you think of that, big man?
Okay, here comes Felix. Come on, Fifi.
Come on, Freeze. Don't let the girls outdo you.
You ready?
All right.
All right, Felix. Oh, let's see if I'm grab it.
Cedar, can we make room for the other contestants?
Go back to the bench. To the stairs, Cedar.
Come on, Cedar.
Good girl.
Come on.
Cedar.
Show off.
Good girl. Good girl.
Cedar, come on. Cedar.
Okay. All right, come on. Let's get the Fifi man.
All right.
Felix.
Wait, does he even have a toy? Hold on.
Throw the ball in there.
Hold on, Cedar. All right.
You ready? Get it, Felix.
Felix! Woo! That was a good one. Cedar! Cedar, don't do that.
Felix, you swam past the ball.
He said, I just want to get out. All right. Not as confident as the girls, but good. Good enough. Good enough.
Felix. Go, Cheetah.
Cheetah! Geronimo! Go, Cheetah! Good job, guys.